of students of Computer System Servicing in General Climaco National High School. And for this video, we're going to share to you on how to install Windows 8 operating system. And for the people who want to take an examination of in situ in computer system servicing, this is for you guys. So bear with us today. I am Sarah Lasponia.
I am Griselda Lasponia.
And I am Ana Marie Pichaya.
And I'm the Kenneth Bagaso. And I'm Joseph Urbo.
Step number 1. Insert the Windows 7 operating system disk into your DVD drive. And then restart your computer. Step number 2. You will see a prompt that says, press any key to continue. When you see this, press any key immediately. Step number 3. Starting Windows with the Windows 7 logo will appear. Step number 4. Language options. By default, English will be set along with. Step number 5. Click Install Now. Step number 6. In User License Agreement, check box to accept and click Next. Step number 7. Which type of installation? Window will appear. Upgrade will be grayed out. The only option you should be able to choose is Custom or Advanced.
Step number 8. Where do you want to install Windows? Make sure the partition is highlighted. Step number 9. Delete the partition by clicking on Drive Options or Advanced on the bottom of the right corner of the field. Make sure the partition is highlighted and click on Delete. If Drive Advanced Options is grayed out, then the partition will not have to be deleted. Step number 10. This 0 unallocated space should be the only listing at this point. If it is, press Next. If not, please proceed to delete any additional partitions that may be listed. Step number 11. The next screen will show installing Windows. This process should take approximately 10 minutes, after which the system will reboot. Note: do not press any keys during this boot up process so as to not disturb the rest of the installation.